Yeah, second Dow component to report. Walmart results just crossing the wires. Courtney Reagan joins us right now. She's got the numbers. Courtney?
Hi there, Becky. So Walmart's earnings per share for the first quarter, $1.18 adjusted. That does beat estimates by about 6 cents. Revenue's also better than expected at $134.62 billion. The street was looking for $132.8 billion. Walmart is withdrawing its full year guidance. The company spent $900 million in COVID-related expenses here in the first quarter. Most of that was related to increased employee pay and policy changes. Gross margin also down 66 basis points. And that is, the company says, from consumers buying more of these lower margin categories, food, consumables, some carryover from last year for these lower prices, as well as some unanticipated markdowns there. Strong U.S. comparable sales up 10% for the quarter. The street was looking for growth of 7.2%. International comps positive in 9 out of 10 markets. Sam's Club comps up 12%. Also strong U.S. net sales online. So this is net e-commerce sales up 74%. This is at least the strongest on record since they've been tracking the numbers as they do now for the net e-commerce sales. I spoke to Walmart CFO Brett Biggs, who said, quote, "It felt like several different quarters within a quarter, particularly in the U.S. He said that there was a 3.8% comp in February in the U.S., then 15% in March as the stockpiling really picked up, including a 300% peak in pickup and delivery at one point. But then he said, quote, "April started slow, particularly in general merchandise. When the stimulus money hit in mid-April, it picked up again." April U.S. comps grew 9.5%. Biggs also said, quote, "The second quarter has started off pretty well as we continue to see the stimulus money come in for consumers," though the retailer isn't sure that is going to continue at this pace, of course. Walmart is discontinuing Jet.com, but Biggs is leaving the door open for the brand to be able to use that name, the Jet name, in the future. Further explaining, quote, "Walmart.com has gained so much traction, and Jet has been playing a smaller part in the portfolio. A lot of that from Mark Lurie's decisions as we have gone along." So pretty banner quarter here from Walmart, withdrawing the full year guidance, though, just because of all this uncertainty going forward, and discontinuing Jet.com. Becky, back over to you.
Courtney, that is a lot to get your head around. Just the idea of 10% comps for the quarter in the U.S. and the idea of up 15% for the month of March. I mean, we're not talking about a small retailer here. You're talking about the largest retailer in the world. You know, to be looking through numbers like that, what that really means is really difficult to kind of figure out.
Absolutely. And even when you look at the pure revenue total, so this is beyond, of course, just the U.S., but to beat analyst estimates by $2 billion is considerable. Now, of course, these are probably not numbers we're going to continue to see forever in perpetuity as the company begins to reopen. But Walmart obviously sold a lot of those essentials that Americans really needed and, frankly, stockpiled during that month of March.